Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you what are the Python lambdas and their explanation. So for this case we have to know the Python lambdas. What is this? So here a lambda function is a small anonymous function. It can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression it will reveal. So it are often used for short-lived operations and are particularly useful when you need a simple function for a short period of time. Okay. Now go to for the practice. So if you wanna do the adding, so if you take add variable that holds the value this, and obviously you have to clear or declare the lambda keywords in Python programming language. And the result is result variable also carry add function name or variable name add what 3 into 3 comma 5. That means we declare the value, then the result output will be what? 8. 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 8. Now the another way or another scenario will happen this lambda a semicolon a plus 50. So if you press this, it will reveal 55. The addition will happen. Then also multiplication. What? If we declare the sign, here the lambda function or lambda keywords, then if we print the x, what? 36. 6 into 6, 36. Again, we want to do the multiple variable that add what? This. Now the term for why we use lambda function. The power of this is beta shown when you see as an anonymous function inside another function. If you want to create just looping system, what will loop what? Nested loop, inside another loop. As like with the function inside another function, that is called the anonymous function. So you have a function definition that takes one argument and that argument will be multiple with an unknown number. See, there have lots of way or lots of thinking that we will do the lambda function or we will create this function which is consciousness, functional programming, readability in a small context, and avoiding unnecessary function definitions. Now the another way, here is multiple variable we declare, and if you want to add or if you want to do something in different way, then we do. Press 5. Here we declare the first one. If we need multiple things, what? 1 times 5 we will add multiplication. Again we want to do the another number or another value multiplication. So the result will be reveal 55 for the first one and 66 for the next one. Run, see. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you too much.